Hello friends, hope you're all safe. Today I have prepared South Indian style pumpkin gravy. It's really yum, delicious. Look at this, the gravy you can see. It's really good. Uh, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive the videos directly. And let's go for our preparations quickly. Uh, Take a kadai, keep it on a stove. We're gonna fry three ingredients right now, which is Bengal gram 2 tablespoon and methi seeds half a tablespoon. Just fry it for 30 to 30 seconds. Followed by you can add Kashmir chilies few as per your it has no spicy at all. You can add as much you want. Fry it for 1 to 2 minutes. It is the very good ingredients makes gravy very good, thick and delicious. So once it is cold, you can grind it. You can use any mixer jar to grind it. See, this is the powder I have grinded. So we're gonna add this one for the curry. Let's take one more pan, add few oil. Once the oil is hot, add a few mustard seeds, and then you can add a jeera, half a tablespoon. See, I'm using a small tablespoon for the measurement. You can use as per your quantity you have taken the pumpkins. Okay, and so it's time to add now sliced onions. This is a one large quantity I have taken. Add it and start frying it for 30 to 60 seconds or even 1 to 2 minutes. Sometimes depending upon the quantity you're taking, and again it depends on the flame you're using it for the cooking. So it's almost see, it's cooked. We can see slightly it's become golden color slightly. So it's time to add tomatoes. It is fully ripe. I have used only one tomato, so I'm gonna cook along with the other ingredients. Let tomato cook very finely, because when masalas are cooking in the oil, it gives really very good taste for the curry or the gravy. So cook it for some time, like 30 to 60 seconds depending upon the fire you are using. And add some few green chilies, which is optional. If you want, you can use chili powder as well. So I'm using here green chilies, which is not cut. I just want for the flavors. And now let's add some few curry leaves. Curry leaves are very good. It gives when you fry curry leaves in the onions, it gives really it boosts the curry or the gravy very good. So I'll just fry it for another 1 to 2 minutes in a low flame. So use the low flame to cook masala, don't burn it. Now we will add the whatever the grinded ingredients we fried, that powder we have added. Just keep frying it and keep a low flame, do not burn it, and make sure that you're cooking in a low flame, and let all the masalas need to be cooked with whatever the oil we have added. If you want, you can add water right now, but I'm not adding it now. So I'm just gonna add few more masala powders for this, which is coriander powder a tablespoon, and then garam masala half a tablespoon. So then salt I will add for the masala to cook easily. So this is the salt I have added. This much is enough for the entire curry. So salt makes masala to cook fast in the oil. You can see that there is no water in it. This is what I want. This masala should be roasted in a pan. So I'll just cook it for 30 seconds in closing the lid. So wait for 30 seconds. Once it is done 30 seconds, you can see little bit of water with the masalas. That's enough, you know, for the masala to cook. So it's almost it's fine now. So now we can add, let's uh, let's add, you know, tamarind juice, which is very important for the gravy to prepare. So if you want, you can add some more water in it, or you can increase your tamarind juice more as well. So I have taken a bowl of tamarind juice and mix very well. All the masala should be get dissolved in this tamarind juice, and then make sure to cook. So say whatever that you can feel the no, kind of sticky, it should be dissolved in the water. So let's add pumpkins, which is not cooked, it is raw. So soon after cutting the pumpkins I have added. So chopped freshly coriander leaves I'm gonna add. So I think gravy needs some water to cook. I'm gonna add little water for it. So again I'm gonna mix. If you think like for your gravy salt is required, you can add. So I have already added enough salt, so I don't prefer salt to add again. I'm gonna close the lid. So let it cook for 10 minutes. If you want medium flame, you can increase the flame as well, but I prefer low flame. If you are using low flame, please use at least 15 minutes to cook. We want pumpkin to be cooked well, and once it is done, so just check that the pumpkins are cooked well. So where you want like a little bit smashed as per your requirement, you can cook it. So I think this is done. So I'm gonna try whether it is cooked pumpkin or not. So I'm gonna try this way. Yes, it is cooked. It's absolutely done. So this is enough for me. This is enough for me. It's I have tried this one before as well. It was really yum, delicious for all the rotis and rice as well. It just tastes like a potato. Do try, don't forget. And today's I have interesting um there is nothing stronger than a broken woman who has rebuilt herself. So this is I'm dedicating for all the women who has broken. Please don't forget to rebuild yourself. This is just a small motivation for you for the day. Thank you all. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, and see you again in the next videos. Love you all. Take care. Bye bye.